Hi, I'm Dabu Ratnani. Glad to be here. I'll start with my journey as a photographer, as where I started, and and today I'm doing lots of work which is celebrity based, and a lot of fashion campaigns, editorials, a lot of stuff for endorsements with celebrities. So I started very early, and I started right after my 12th standard. I started assisting a photographer when I was 16 years old, and even before that, I had bought a semi-professional camera and done an audio visual for my college, and just played around with my camera, shot portfolios for my friends and stuff. So I was very interested right from the very beginning. Being a gadget freak, I thought this was one of my, fascinations for gadgets, but it turned out a lot more than that. And I started shooting. I started assisting Sumit Chopra, who is my, ex-boss now, and I started working with him in 1990. Like I said, I was 16 years old at that time, and I thought I have 3 years of college, senior college left, and I'll do correspondence and assist him for 3 years, and so I don't have to attend daily college, and I can kind of work and learn more about photography. And I worked with him instead of 3 years. I worked with him for 4 years because I enjoyed it thoroughly, and during these 4 years, I did a couple of assignments as well. While I was assisting, I started doing small assignments, and towards the end, in 1993, I did Aatish, which was a feature film where I went to Mauritius for 40 days with the whole crew of Aatish, and shot publicity stills for them and the making of the movie in terms of the photo shoots and stuff. So that kind of changed my life around, because once those pictures were released in '94 and were put up on hoardings and put up on billboards and in magazines, and all the publicity around it, a lot of people noticed that work, and that's when I feel people wanted to try out someone new, and work started pouring in, and that's when I decided to branch out on my own and leave Sumit and start photography full-fledged. So '94 I started shooting on my own, where I did a lot of portfolios, I did a lot of magazine shoots with Pooja Bhatt, Sanjay Dutt, people who I was friends with, and that kind of work people were appreciating, and people were noticing, and lots of the actors started wanting to shoot with me. So although I actually assisted Sumit, who was an advertising photographer, I didn't do that much more of. I didn't get into mainstream fashion and advertising at that point. I started doing film work instead, But I enjoyed it a lot, because even in '94, film photography wasn't the coolest thing in terms of fashion. Seemed like a much cooler option, and models and supermodels, and was termed as filmy photographer. But it didn't bother me, because I really enjoyed what I was doing, and for me it was whether I'm making the actors look good or making the models look good. For me, my work was most important. So that's when I feel that I created a signature style, and people started to appreciate it. Work started coming in, and since then, I worked for about 3-4 years without a studio. I used to do a lot of outdoor shoots. I used to go to actors' homes and shoot, and it was amazing, because the whole journey was like very hands-on. It was very personal, and I used to deal with the actors, just go home, just shoot their pictures. They used to be amazed at how I come with very little equipment and achieve the result that I do. And then I think in the year 1999, I invested in my studio, and in the year 2000, I think it was ready, and that's when I moved into my own studio. So everything I did was buying from loans and generating money from my own. Not really, we were from middle class family, so we couldn't really buy everything and equipment and everything in one go. So it took time, But I think it was very interesting, and the whole journey has been beautiful.